Hello, Mr. Harry, are you right?
Yep.
Okay, so today we talk about repeated k-length substring. Okay, repeated k-length substring. Substring has to be continued, right? Remember? Substring. Okay, for example, given is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, okay? And when K is 3, S is this. How many substrings which are length of 3
A, B, C,
and
A, C, D.
are repeated more than once?
A, B, C, and A, B, C.
Yeah, because it appears twice. Any other sublengths which is... How many sublengths which has the 3 lengths? How many sublengths which has the 3 lengths? Then 3, which has the 3 characters. How many substrings which has the 3 characters?
A lot.
Can you count?
Not really.
A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, F, D, A, B, A, B, C. So how many of these?
5.
5. How many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 characters. So look, if we want to iterate, brute forcing all these k lengths. So k, you say it's 5, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's actually the length n minus k plus 1. Okay? Yeah? The length 7 characters. K, we are looking for 3. And then the number of the total number of the substring, which is k length, is n minus k plus 1. Does it make sense? Because we can do this. How can we iterate? For I in range, start from 0, okay? Or we don't put a 0. Start from 0 to n minus k. Right? How many iterations? N minus k. How many iterations?
They are...
Yeah, is it? No, n minus k plus 1. Okay, plus 1. Yeah. So they are n minus k plus 1 iteration. Okay. So we want to find so now this is the way of finding all the substrings with the k length. And we want to find out how do we check if it's repeated ones. How can we do it? I mean,
Insert.
Hash set. Yeah, we use the hash set to notebook. Yeah, notebook. Okay. Okay, so then we can do it. Okay, that will be easier. What's the time complexity if you're using this kind of thing? And no, it's written on the whiteboard. N minus k, right? Because we iterate. Yeah, we're iterating that much time. Okay. Okay. And you tell me, okay? Define like, let's say k length substring. Okay, substring.
Column.
And we need a s, we need a k, right?
Column.
Yeah. Okay, so now we have this data. Data equals default dictionary. Okay, let's say default dictionary. And the type is integer, okay? Because we are counting the number of substrings. We're counting the substring and then the number of times they appear, right? Alright.
Yes.
Can you tell me what to do next? Data. And then we have this current. Let's say we have this.
Dictionary.
Okay, so that's a good here. I'm going to current is the current. I'm going to use it as the k length substring, okay? K-length substring. Yeah. So okay, let's say if it's here empty, and then we need to go through this yeah. For I in range. Let's just go through the array first, the string first, and then we can build it. Yeah, we can concatenate the string, right? And then if the length of it is bigger than k, so we need to look if this substring A B C D A B C. Okay, now I'm putting this current as A, and then I put a B, and I put a C. Okay, and next time I put a D, but which is more than 3 characters. So what should we do at this moment? What should we do at this moment? Look, we have current iterating, put a B, C, and D. Now it's more than 3 characters. What should we do?
Move Plus 1.
Pop, yeah, pop, yeah. But look, current is a string, is immutable, right? So we can't do it. So let's put it at list. Or better, we can have a DQ, yeah, DQ. Because when we have a DQ, pop left is constant term, right? So we can just say current dot append I, right? Yeah, I is the character ABC. Yeah? And if the current bigger than K, then current needs to do what? Current needs pop what?
Left.
Pop left. Now the current is a string which has what? Which then we need to remember the number of times it appear, right? Current plus equal 1. Okay? Yeah, make sense? And then what should we do after that? Now we need to find out, okay, answer equals 0, and then we need to go through the dictionary data for I in data. If data I bigger than 1 time, right? Bigger than 1 time, and we'll answer plus equals 1, return answer. Make sense?
Yeah.
What's the space complexity if you can remember?
O(n minus K.
Uh-huh. Okay, so look, data, this is the DQ, so we can the key needs to be hashable because it can't be the list. So let's put it here. I need to put please join current, okay? What does this mean? Empty space dot join current, what does it mean?
It means you join not a space between every.
Yeah. Nothing. Okay, so you put all the look. If the list is A, B, C, then dot join you become A, B, C. Yeah. Okay. What's the space complexity? Are we using any space? Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it? What's the space complexity?
DQ.
So O what?
Um.
O N. Is it O N or O M my? Is it O N? No, OK, right? Why is that? Because look, if it's more than K, I just pop out. So at any time, there is no more than K elements in the current, right? Okay. This bit is OK. But this bit, how many of that? Data dot default. How many data? How many current? It's actually how many k-length substring. We talk about that n minus k plus 1. Okay, so actually OK plus O(n minus k. Okay, so you add it together is actually O(n). Okay, we're done. Yeah. Do you know why we got this O(n)? Okay, here. This is n minus k plus 1. We drop a constant, and OK plus O(n minus k. Yeah, k is cancelled out, so it's O(n). Okay. So this bit we can make it prettier. We can make it prettier. So we can say return. Actually, we want to filter. Yeah, filter. Filter what? Let's say lambda x minus 1 for x plus x bigger than 1 plus what? For and then we have the second value, which is the data dot values. Yeah, values. Okay, and then we convert it to list. Look, the filter. The first one takes the function or lambda function. We want to find out how many are bigger than 1, and then these from what? From data dot values, because the value if it's bigger than 1, it appears more than 1. Okay, and then this is the filter, and then we want to find out the length. Yeah, so we put the length of it. Yeah, this is one way. Okay, yeah, or we can use the list comprehension. Yeah, list for what we want to find out the key. Okay, so then if I for what? Data dot item. Yeah, data dot item. For ij in data dot item. And then if j is bigger than 1, okay? And then this will give us the list of the list of what? Of the substring, k length substring, and then we just need to return the length. Okay, this is the same. Okay, which is pretty much the same thing. This is the most intuitive way. Answer equals 0. We go through the dictionary. We find out if the value is bigger than 1. Because if the value is bigger than 1, it means it's repeated. Make sense? Yeah. Answer equals plus equal to return answer. So this bit. Okay. This bit. Yeah. Okay. So this bit. What else? The two, we can actually iterate over the substring, k-length substring by the index, right? So we can just do this. For I in range n minus k, n will be the length of S, right? Obviously, n minus k plus 1. And then look, the substring will be what? S equals, substring will be CUR, so we don't need this, okay? CUR equals S, the substring what? Start from I to I plus K, right? We start from I to I plus K, and then data current plus equal 1, okay? Look, here is simpler. So the index start from 0 to n minus k. Yeah, n minus k, and the substring of exactly the length k, so is look from I to I plus k. Yeah, I plus k minus 1. Okay, actually it's minus 1. Yeah, 2 from 2 exclusive, and then we can just do this data current plus equal 1. Yeah, make sense? Does it make sense? Harry?
Yeah.
Okay, can you repeat what the daddy says today?
So we're
what's daddy doing?
K-length.
Okay, I'm giving you a problem. Okay, let's say A, B, B, C, D, B, C, B, C. So K, this is the S. K equals 3. How many repeated substring of, how many repeated k-length substring appear, appear more than once? How many? K equals 3. So what do we do here? We try every.
And then B, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D, C.
So which one is repeated more?
C, D, C.
C, D, C repeated. So we return 1. Make sense? Okay, that's it for today. Good job. Bye bye.
Bye, Bob.